So today I'm very excited about what's inside this box. It is a white box, as you can see, but what's inside is the Sailor Pro Gear Blue Dawn. Limited edition, one of the 1,500 individually numbered pens. Mine is number 1057, as you can see on the sticker here. So let's get it open and check it out. The plain white, thin cardboard box from Sailor, and then the blue, faux leather box. The standard box here. Let's see what's inside. This is my first time seeing it, so. Ooh. Comes with an ink converter there. Inside we have the pen. As you can see, has the special 21 on it, the 2021 model, and for 21 karat gold. It's kind of funny. I guess this was designed for 2021, but it came out in 2022. Go figure. Alright, let's take it out of this wrapper. Actually, first, inside the box, the pen came attached with this. Have a Sailor warranty card here. A couple of black cartridges inside here. A special world-renowned 21 karat gold nib card explaining basically what is so great about a 21 karat gold versus 14 karat or 18 karat gold nibs, being more flexible, a little bit more constant and stable supply of ink for a comfortable writing experience. And finally there is the instruction and warranty and repair booklet. There's a little history about Sailor there as a company who started it, and it goes through the history of the different models, how to fill it, and so on and so forth. And let's take a look at this pen. It's sealed. I almost don't want to break the seal. Ooh, that is nice. It's a nice deep blue with just very faint little sparkles in it from, I guess, the glass that they put into the resin of these pens. Alright, I'm going to bring you in closer here. You can see how it shimmers in the light like that. It's very pretty. Now, let's open it up. Oh wow. Very unique logo on that nib. Otherwise, it's a fairly simple nib design. It's not two-tone, it's not any nice swirls. You can see the nib here, 21 karat gold. This is a medium nib. You got the HM hard medium, 21 karat gold, 875. It has another very small logo there. It's hard to make out. I believe it's a Sailor logo. See the Sailor logo on the end cap and the engraving, 1057 out of 1500 and made in Japan. Just a couple pins I have here really quick. That is the Diplomat Arrow in blue. This is the Cross Townsend in the green Microneural, and a Monteverde Regatta with the walnut and carbon fiber trim. Just so you can kind of see that comparison in terms of the color. It's a Nice deep blue. Anyways, I just want to do a quick overview of this, and I'll do a full review later on, so make sure you're subscribed. And I'm going to figure out which ink I'm going to pair it with. So I'll see you next time.